So hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Candy and today I'm going to play Granny Chapter 3 for the first time. Yeah, I played it before but I died. Okay, by the way I'm sick so you can ignore the coughs. I'm going to play in difficulty easy. Granny, Grandpa both. I don't need Slenderina. I don't want the intro, not the nightmare version. Let's go. Day 1. And I'm sick, but still making a video for you guys, so I deserve a like. Can you please like this video and subscribe to my channel? Okay, let's see. Let's go over here. I have this lockpick, and let's open this door. It's so hard to open a door. It takes so long. Huh. Okay, let's go. What's over here? Can I open this door? Oh. I have to put two, like, what is this? Pots? Oh, yeah. Okay. Where should I go first? I'm going to call Granny over here. Then I'll go up. Can't open this. Okay. Why am I so slow? Let's go over here. Go over here. I have this plank. Let's go over here. Crouch. Let's see where is Granny. She didn't even came. Now I'm going to make some noise so she'll come. Okay. There she comes. Oh my god. Let's make some sound over here. She'll go over there. Where is she? Did she go back? Oh, let's go up. Oh, I have to run faster. Oh, let's go. Granny, open the door for me. Okay. Let's see what's over here. I got. Oh no 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 no! Oh my god. I'm locked again. Day 2. Am I still sleeping? Like when they beat me on my head, then am I just sleeping for a whole one day and waking up at night? Let's go. Let's go, let's go. I don't have the plank anymore. Just open this door. I have to be careful now. Oh my god. Hell no. Are they still following me or something? I have to hide. There isn't any chance of going up from here. Oh, finally. Let's make some noise over here so the boat will come here. There. Let's go. Where are they? So they are not following me now. Let's go up here. Okay, I'm safe. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I have to go. I have to go. She is so slow. Oh. Where is she? Does she go over here? I don't want to play hide and seek with you. Where is she? Huh? Where did she go? So she placed her weapon, like, what is that? A trap? See, she placed the trap over here. Should not make any noise. Go from the side. Let's be careful and see if someone's over here or not. No, I'll just go upstairs and find a way of escaping somewhere. Oh, where is Shebra? She can't do anything to me. Like, oh no! She can. I have to be more safe. I'm back. Let's open this again. If I die again, I'm going to play without Grandpa this time. Let's go. I hear some sounds. Okay. Oh my god. She went over there, then Grandpa is somewhere up. I'm sure. Oh, he didn't saw me. He didn't saw me. Let's go out. I hope they don't come out. Let's pick up these stones. I see more stones. Can I just not escape from here? Like this? I got stones. I see something inside. That's ammo of the gun. Nothing else? Only ammos? I need a shotgun from Grandpa. Let's see. I see another. Wait, where's the stone? Huh? I just saw the stone shining over here, but where is it now? The stone even escaped. Let's go. Let's just close this door. Okay, pick up the stone. The most safest thing in the whole series of it is, oh my god, my windows, is this lift. I love how this saves me. Nothing. I think anything over here. What's the weapon key? Let's drop it over here. Oh my god, sound. The granny is gonna come. Oh my god. I have to do it quick. Take the firewood. Throw it over here. Let's see if we have more things. Okay. Oh, no. No. I came in the wrong place. Now I have to go to the kitchen again. So I'm back and seeing blood around my face. It's so bad looking at the bloods. Now I'm kind of fast. Oh my god, sounds. I quickly have to go to the kitchen. Quickly. Immediately run over here. Is anything over here now? Nothing. We'll just go in. Go inside the lift. Let's go. Click the button and go in. The lift is now working. I can't just put stuffs in. The sound is so bad. I don't want to walk in. I just want to go up, more up. Yeah, over here. Okay, I'm here. Oh, now what? Huh. I need a plank. Where did I even throw it? Let's go. I forgot where is the plank. Huh. 100 years after pulling this thing, I'm going to make this the plank and go over there. It's a cheating thing. I'm going to use this. Can you move your chair? Oh my god, I can't. It's so hard. Huh. This is so harder than finding that plank. Can I just walk on it? Oh, I fell. Is there anything here? Oh, I need a plank. I need a plank. I got the teddy bear. I have to quickly call this lift and take the teddy bear. Take the teddy bear. Oh no, oh no. Quickly, come on. Where is the lift? Oh my god. I have to drop this immediately or they're gonna follow me. Phew. Huh. Let's go up again. Let's take this firewood and then we'll go upstairs. Let's get this firewood and call this lift down. Oh my god, it's so slow. Call the lift back and I'm going to place this. I need the match. I saw it downstairs. Let's go. Up immediately. Again. Let's fall down. I'm working with the lift a lot. Now, oh no, oh no. So he's over here but not going. I'm gonna stand up. Oh my god, my heart is beating so hard. He's still over here and chilling out. Can you move out? Can you go? Go! I see your pants. Ew. He went out. Now I'm gonna hold the teddy bear. Haha, what you're gonna do? I hold the teddy bear. I have a teddy bear. You're Slenderina. So let's go. Where are they? I have to see and play with them. The heart is beating. Someone's heart is beating, not mine. Let's just throw it over here. This is Slenderina. Hello? Can you just give me the key or something? Yeah, we got the key. Safe key? Safe is downstairs. What am I gonna do now if it's downstairs? Oh my god. Now I'm stuck in a bad situation. I need a plank. Let's open this door quickly. Oh my god. I hear Granny's laugh. There she is. Oh no, 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 no. She saw. Let's see. She saw me. Oh my god. I'm trapped with the both of them. Oh no. He's controlling. No! No. Oh. This is a hard task to complete this game fully. I'm logged again. Okay, the last day. This is the last day. If I can't do anything, I'll quit. Let's just see. Okay, let's go. I have everything inside the lift. Now let's go. Quickly, let's go to the lift, to the kitchen. To the kitchen. I hope no one's here. I have to be quick. Be quick. Let's go. Wait, where is the key? Do I have to call the lift? Oh, the lift is up. Oh my god. If the lift crashes. Huh. Okay. You stop. Go up again. Now we need this. Okay, I have to pick it up. Oh my god. put this lift up, get this weapon key, put it over here. Just get over here. I'm gonna hide over here. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's go. I dropped a key over here. There we go. Oh my god, someone's here. Who's here? I don't know who's here, but someone's here and I'm going. I was about to pick up my key. Who is it though? Oh, it's Granny. She can do anything from far away. Safe key. So the safe is at the bathroom. Let's see what can I do and where she is. Oh my god, she can see me. Let's close all this door. Let's just let this stay open. Where is she? She went out. Let's go. Close this door. Oh my god. Let's go. I opened this. What's that? A train key. So this is gonna be a train escape. Nothing else. Ew. Huh. Oh my god. I was like, let's go. Quickly escape from you. Oh, ugly brat. Let's call the lift. Call the lift. Oh my god, I'm safe. Yeah. No. Don't go down. So I have this safe key and weapon key and... No, I used the safe key. Then what key is this? I forgot. That's the train key. So I have to go up. Let's go. Can you drop me up again? Wait. Is this place clear? Oh no! Oh my god, I died. This was the end. This is the last day. Oh, what? What are you gonna do? Oh my god. Are you gonna celebrate Diwali or something? Oh no. No, don't do anything. Nah, you. This swag, he's doing swag. He's swag. Ew. But I'm dying behind him. Oh my, game over. I'm never gonna play this game again. I never won. So as you saw me dying and the grandpa doing swag, did it again. Here's some Blunderina. Now I'm never gonna play this game, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Goodbye.